By now, many of you may be ready to send student articles to the SciJourn editor for feedback and possible publication. Before doing so, however, it is important to pre-screen the articles. For the busy teacher, this can be a time-consuming process, especially when over 100 articles are turned in for review. Sending every unscreened article to the editor really adds to the turnaround time during the editing process. One solution has been to utilize peer review. This helps to lower the overwhelming load and has become an authentic part of the writing process. But the question about peer review is, what do we expect students to look for as they review each other's articles? And for those of us teachers not fully familiar with science writing expectations, how can we best screen articles before forwarding them for editing? Many of us have used the Safi, the scientific article filtering instrument that helps guide peer reviewers and also busy teachers. The Safi helps to efficiently look for key elements of an article. The result is to either send the article on to the editor or send it back to the author. First, the Safi directs the reviewer to look for 4 elements, any one of which can kick the article back. Is there any stereotyping? If yes, no further review is necessary. Send it back to the author. Is there any lying or advertising, or especially plagiarism? If yes to any of these, the article is not forwarded to the editor and goes directly back to the author. Other elements examined with the Safi include a clear explanation of the science, factual accuracy, and the inclusion of multiple perspectives. These are a bit more nebulous to define for students, but they do help to spark discussion during the peer review process. The Safi does not look at language conventions such as spelling, punctuation, or grammar. At this stage, we are concerned only about content. If the content is strong, the rest can be taken care of later. Also, we found that when students use Safi as a peer editing tool, they become more careful with their own writing, especially if they are hoping to have their articles published. Clearly knowing and understanding the expectations of the editor helps students become better writers. The Safi can do that. It's easy to use, pretty fast and efficient, and further lets students know how a quality article should look.